Hello and welcome to Excel 2016 Mastering Excel Date and Time course. If you use Excel quite often, I'm sure you have come across dates and times in your cells. Data often has a record of when it was created or when it was updated. So knowing how to work with the data, with such data is actually very essential. Microsoft Excel can basically do anything with the data if you just know how. So this course is another key step in adding skills to your Excel tool belt. So let's get started. This course is divided into two parts. Part 1 has 5 subtopics. In that we will see how Excel dates and times are stored as serial numbers. We will see how to format date and time. We will see how to calculate differences between two dates and differences between time. And finally, we will see how to add or sum a total of time entries that exceeds 24 hours. In part 2, we will see how to make use of date and time functions effectively. We will also create date and time entries. We will see how to calculate dates and time in which we would see how to determine the total number of working days when we have a given set of weekly offs and holidays. And we will also see how to calculate time in a given set of entries. And finally, we would make use of dates and times using Excel command. Throughout this course, we will use different sets of date and time functions. We will see some basic date functions like date, day, days 360, weekday, and today. And then we will see some important and complex date functions like eDate, EO month, that is end of the month. And then we have date diff. Usually most of the Excel users pronounce it as dated if, but it's date difference, so date diff. Then we will see week num and ISO week numbers. Then we will see how to effectively use network days and network days international to calculate working days between a given period. And we will see how to make use of workday function and date value. Then we have year and year frac, that is year fraction. And we will also use some time functions like hour, minute, second, now, time, and time value.